We are back, week 3 here in Melbourne. We are at another hospital, another hotel. This is Melbourne's All-Suites Inn. This one looks pretty cool. I'm excited. The lobby was really nice. Smells good. People were really friendly, and they have a sushi bar. So we're gonna go check into the room and then see what it looks like. Here we are. I'm gonna flip this around. So it's kind of cool. Little pool there. Walk up here. This is gonna be us. All right, so couch, windows to the outside world, desk, little fridge there, bed. Sink, coffee pot, hey look, iron and ironing board, safe, I guess blow dryer there, coffee pot, shower stuff, there's the toilet, shower, not bad, a view from the bathroom area. Overall, not bad. It smells good, so that's a positive, always. Smaller than I expected. I think this is supposed to be like a 2-room suite for the price of 1 or something, but that's okay. It's plenty big enough for us. Me too, here at the All-Suites Inn in Melbourne. So far, so good. I'm impressed with the hotel. This one here was $115 a night average. After all taxes and fees and stuff. Nice hotel so far. Definitely no complaints yet. I mean, little picky things here and there, like, you know, the fire smoke alarm, and, you know, the door is a little ajar, but you know, you get what you pay for. But it's nice. Slept good today. Got like 7.5 hours of sleep, so that was good. Gonna make some dinner here. Tonight we have another one of Factor's meals. Herb crusted chicken with mashed cauliflower and toasted almond green beans. Yeah, so, you know, all the same. Microwave for 2 minutes until it's done. Yeah, so far so good. Did like a 15 or 30-minute walk. Went out of the hotel. They got a sidewalk on the street, so we went to the right down the sidewalk. So if you go down the sidewalk, there's a Zaxby's, there's a Bennigan's within 15 minutes walk. There's a theater, Sam's Club, a couple gas stations on the other side of the road. There's a scrub shop or uniform shop down the road, all within 15 minutes. Some other things down there, I'll let you find that out. Yeah, and just remember, here at All-Suites they have the sushi bar too out front in the lobby, and they do breakfast in the morning. I'm not going to try either of those, not that I don't want to, it's just that I'm doing the meals, trying to be better. Went to Publix this morning, got some fruit and a couple snacks, because